Now, before we get things started, I would like to ask anybody who is making their Broadway debut in the Jellicle Ball to please come join me on the runway. My favorite part of the ceremony, because this gives me the chance to meet the people who are the future of Broadway. But tonight, it's more meaningful than ever because your stories, your voices, your hearts cannot be more important on this stage than they are right now. And your performance, that thing that only you can bring to this runway, has been informed by every moment of the life you've lived to get here. And so, on behalf of Dr. Sofia, I would like to thank you. I would like to say thank you for every step that you took. Thank you for every challenge that you persevered through to get to this Broadway stage. And on behalf of Actors Equity and the ACCA, and for every actor and every stage manager, and most importantly, for every person, that person that's going to sit out there tonight and every night, who is going to see the magic that you're doing on the stage and realize that they're not alone, that they have a legacy, that they have a family, that they have a future. So from all of us, congratulations and welcome to Broadway! It is my pleasure to welcome you to the Broadway stage. But I've been reminded that we are on a runway, and this is a ballroom, darling, so I'm handing this back off to...
So we're going to interrupt the Legacy Robe ceremony real quick. BB, come on up. BB's got something special for everybody making their Broadway debuts today.
Nothing crazy, just another speech. Just on behalf of, us who have been on the stage before, made our debuts. I'm not off the cuff, so I wrote it down. I just wanted to share a few thoughts. Some advice that I was given on the day that my debut, was just for even 30 seconds, to find a quiet corner where you can be in solitude and physically breathe in this moment, putting down all the next steps you have to take and be present with yourself and if you're spiritual, anyone else you perceive to be with you. Take in that you were chosen to be here. You are 1% of you are one of the nearly 1% professional actors nationwide who have made it to a Broadway stage ever. Tens of thousands of actors audition each and every year. You have beat the odds. In this process, we've compared each other to Olympic athletes, right? We've said that, but there's been more people who have competed in the Olympics than who have been on Broadway. So take that in. Take in that if you are a person of trans experience, in this show, you are a trailblazer and a pioneer, literally legacy in the making. The first trans woman to originate a role in Broadway, Peppermint, only happened 8 years ago in 2018. Okay? We are all collectively a part of a production with some of the most trans representation in Broadway history at a time where it is the most trans representation on Broadway all at once, between Rocky Horror and Oh Mary. Whoa, we're making history, y'all. Don't take that lightly, take that in. Each one of us is wonderfully made. Each one of us is exceptionally valuable, living in a season where your vocation, like your strong sense of suitability for a particular career or occupation, is clear, lively, joyous, and potently powerful. Take that in. Your life and you are life and love's champions today, so take that in. All right? There's 42 Broadway debuts in between the creative teams, musicians, the crews. Not all of us are in this space. I can't say all the names, but I did want us, in the spirit of ballroom, to kick a beat and call out our cast debuts to run the runway right quick. Walk the runway for a little 2 8 counts, okay? people one by one. 19 cast reviews. They're gonna put a beat on. They're gonna put a beat on. And don't you worry, we're truly black, baby. This is for us.
All right. First up, I wanna have Dante the deal rider. I said Dante the deal rider. You're gonna make it too hard, you're gonna make it too hard, make it louder. I said Dante, come on up, Sharon. Hey, Sharon T. Brown, bring it down to the ground. Sharon T. Brown, bring it to the ground. Sharon T. Brown, bring it to the ground. I won't be nowhere. Come on, let's say, I said be nowhere.
I brought a bunch of my friends here who give up their time to make sure that equity is a labor union that works for all of us, including the chair of ACCA, Alvin Donis, and the Eastern Regional Vice President, Rashawn James.
Well, you know, it's been 75 years and the Legacy Robe has been happening, and I think it's time to update the ceremony with a runway walk, right? So as I said, I'm Al Bandonis. I'm the second National Vice President and Chair of the ACCA, and I'm here
I'm Rashawn James, second Eastern Regional Vice President.
on behalf of President Brooke Shields, Executive Director Al Vincent Jr., the National Council, and all our paid professional staff. Rashawn and I are here to welcome Cats the Jellicle Ball to Broadway. Great 11.
And also joining us tonight are the people that I consider to be the living and breathing legacy of this robe, legends in the Broadway community, the robe's previous recipients. I could ask anyone who has received the robe if you'll please raise your hand and will be recognized by saying your name and the show or shows for which you received the robe. Let's start here.
Bless you all. My name is Colin Cunliffe. I got the robe for Paradise Square and Cabaret.
My Broadway debut in Rumple Teaser in the original cast. Thank you for what you've done to it. And I got the Legacy Robe for You're in Town, the musical, and Shrek.
Happy opening, Jellicle Ball. My name is Judine Somerville, and I received the robe for Hairspray.
Hey, Jellicle Ball. Happy opening. I'm Andre Ward, and I got the robe for Rock of Ages.
Happy opening, y'all. I'm Kevin Quillen. I got the robe for Tammy Faye last year.
Hi, I'm Jan Boektop. I got it for Ari in 1971.
Oh, sorry, it's me here. Hi, I'm Stephanie Pope. Welcome
Come on
to
now.
Broadway. I received the robe for the revival of Pippin.
Hello, congratulations everybody. My name is Devin Richards and I got the robe for 110 in the Shade, Tale of Two Cities, and Andrew Lloyd Webber's Jesus Christ Superstar.
Yes, I'm Elizabeth Mills. I received the robe for the Roundabout Theater Productions Company of Boys from Syracuse.
Happy opening. I'm Afra Hines. I got the robe for the Donna Summer musical, The Who's Tommy, and Pirates.
Hey, I'm Carlos Lucilius. Happy opening. I got the robe for Scandalous.
Hi, I'm Jolyn Saxer, and I got the robe for Back to the Future.
Hi, congratulations. My name is Jeremy Davis. I got the robe for The Last Ship, Frozen, Floyd Collins, and the revival of Cats.
Hi, I'm Joyce Chittick, and I received the robe for the original 1998 revival Roundabout of Cabaret, the production of Susical, and I think we opened today 15 years ago, but Anything Goes Roundabout's revival. But I want to say I'm very proud to have invested a little bit in this broad, brilliant, brand new reimagining, because my debut on Broadway, Teddy, was Syllabub.
Hi, I'm Rami Sandhu. I've never done Cats. I got the Legacy Robe for Andrew Lloyd Webber's Bombay Dreams. And for Mary Poppins, welcome to Broadway, Married to You All.
I'm David Edwards, and I got the Legacy Robe for Andrew Lloyd Webber's shortest running Broadway musical, By G.
I loved your show downtown and can't wait to see it again tonight. I'm Roger Preston Smith. I have received the robe for Kathy Rigby's Peter Pan.
Congratulations! Welcome to Broadway. My name is Yasmin Allers, and I won the I got the rope for the notebook.
And now to present the robe to a member in the cast of Cats the Jellicle Ball, it's my pleasure to hand the ceremony over to the robe's most recent recipient, Katie Weber.
I hope you all feel the love surrounding this production, because within the industry, it is absolutely buzzing and there is so much good energy coming your way, and I hope you all feel it. Happy opening and welcome to Broadway. I am Katie Weber, and I received the Legacy Robe for Honeymoon in Vegas, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Tina, the Tina Turner musical, what else? The Great Gatsby, Smash, and most recently, Chess. And I will say that reading the speech, I'm nervous every time, so, okay. Here we go. The tradition of the Legacy Robe began 75 years ago in 1950, when Bill Bradley, a chorus dancer in Gentlemen Prefer Blondes, asked Florence Baum, another member of the chorus, for her dressing gown. Bill then sent it over to Arthur Partington, a chorus dancer at the Imperial Theater, where Call Me Madam was opening that night with a note proclaiming, "The robe had been worn by all the Ziegfeld beauties and would bless their show." A cabbage rose from one of Ethel Merman's gowns was attached to the robe by Arthur, and it was sent on to the opening of the next chorus musical, Guys and Dolls, and a tradition was born. The Legacy Robe is awarded to a member of the chorus who has the most Broadway musical chorus credits. The honored recipient puts on the robe, circles the stage 3 times, counterclockwise, and everyone touches the robe. The recipient, still wearing the robe, then visits all the dressing rooms, and the show is blessed. This is a very special one for me personally, and it is my great pleasure to present the Legacy Robe for Cats, the Jellicle Ball to Emma Sofia.
I really didn't think it was going to be me. Thank you. Thank you to all of the spirits of this theater. To everybody who's touched every single thread, every single corner. Thank you all. We couldn't do this without each other. We could not make this happen without every single person in this room. Work. This is such a blessing. We are the revolution. We are joy. We are love. And I'm so honored. I can't breathe.
So, on Sunday, Emma will be passing this robe onto a member in the cast of Titanic. Thank you.
The gayest vlog on Broadway!
Right? Which is the next show opening on Broadway. But for tonight, Emma, this robe is all yours because tonight we're here to celebrate all of you. So welcome to Broadway, cast of Jellicle.